لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
What is Ar-Rahman? What is the importance of this name Ar-Rahman? Why does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala begin these ayat in which He describes those people who have dedicated their lives to worship Him? Why does He describe them as being Ibad al-Rahman? Why didn't He describe them Ibad Allah, Ibad al-Kareem, Ibad al-Alim? Why Ibad al-Rahman? It is because of the greatness and the magnificence and the importance of this name. It is the name containing the characteristic of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through which every good comes to us. Now, he says, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. This is from Fiqh al-Asma al-Husna. And the reason why I want to read this is because as we go through these characteristics in the coming weeks, the qualities and the characteristics and the descriptions of the worshippers of Ar-Rahman, we need to know who is Ar-Rahman. We know that Allah is Ar-Rahman. But what does this name really mean? And what is its significance and its importance? Like how many of us recite Al-Fatiha and we say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and we might not really know in any kind of detail what is the meaning of Ar-Rahman, what is the meaning of Ar-Rahim. I want to concentrate on Ar-Rahman, but the Shaykh brings them together. He said these are two names, two noble names that have been mentioned many places in the noble Qur'an. Then he says that these two names, they have a great importance and a magnificent station, status for the believers. These are the two names that Allah opened the Qur'an with. And then He began to mention other virtues related to these two names. That all good, every khair, is the result of the rahmah of Allah. Why is this name Ar-Rahman so important? Because the rahmah, that is the characteristic of Allah that is derived from this name Rahman, is actually the source of every good that we have in our life. It's because of the rahmah of Allah. The Shaykh, he says, the name Ar-Rahman, it came on the pattern in Arabic language of fa'alan. This name in the Arabic language came on the pattern or the wazn of fa'alan, which indicates that it is a characteristic of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that is thabita, confirmed for Him, lazima, inseparable from Him, kamila, complete and perfect. That is, it's from His characteristics. Ar-Rahmah is from the confirmed, inseparable, complete and perfect characteristics of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then he says Ar-Rahim indicates the rahmah that extends from Allah to the one who the mercy falls upon. Meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does the act of showing mercy upon His creation. That's what Ar-Rahim indicates. And then he says these two names indicate the perfection of the rahmah, which is a characteristic of Allah, and they also point to the vastness of that rahmah. These two names point to the perfection of the rahmah of Allah, and they also point to the vastness, the abundance of the rahmah of Allah. Then the Shaykh says, and this is like, may Allah cause our hearts to accept what is being said here and to realize the importance of this name, that everything that comes to us of beneficial things, of things that we love, of things that bring joy and happiness, of goodness, everything that comes to us from these things, they are all from the result of the rahmah of Allah. And likewise, everything that has been turned away from us, of that which we dislike, of misfortune, of fears, of dangers, of harms, everything that has been turned away from us is due to the rahmah of Allah. Whatever good came to us is the result of the rahmah of Allah. And whatever harm has been repulsed from us is the result of the rahmah of Allah. No one brings good except Him, Allah, Ar-Rahman. And no one repulses evil or harm except Him, Ar-Rahman. And He's the most merciful of those who show mercy. This is the first point related to the name Ar-Rahman.